Neville Medhora is a master copywriter and the author of a very interesting little book titled, "This Book Will Teach You How to Write Better." This small 50-page book is hands down one of the most useful resources I've ever come across when it comes to learning how to write for an internet audience. And in this video, I want to give you 3 of his most powerful elements to make your writing crazy effective. The first element is his formula for selling anything online, which goes by the acronym AIDA. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Whether it's an email, a Facebook post, or a full-blown sales page, this is the formula you need to keep in mind. Start by grabbing your reader's attention. You can do this with a clever headline or question. Next, capture their interest. Give the reader a reason to stay. Tell them something genuinely interesting that will make them want to keep reading. Next, stir their desire for your product. Show them the benefits of what you have to offer. Paint a picture of what their life could be like after they buy from you. And finally, lead them towards a clear action. Tell them exactly what to do, how to do it, and what will happen after they do it. This simple formula is incredibly effective, and the examples Neville gives in his book show how powerful even a few sentences can be when they follow this structure. Element number 2 is the easy headline formula. Creating subject headlines for articles or emails can be incredibly frustrating because those few words determine so much. But Neville offers a simple solution with the following formula: end result that the customer wants, plus a specific time period, and finally address the objections. An example of this formula in action would be, wipe away your debt before the tax return is due so the IRS won't call. The author shows us that you can move these pieces around as you like and massage the wording so that it sounds as natural as possible. But if you can hit all 3 of these pieces in every headline you write, you'll see your readers take way more action. Finally, element number 3 is the core philosophy behind Neville's copywriting style. We might have heard it before, but few of us have actually internalized it the way the author just to do so. Nobody cares about you, they only care about themselves. People want to read things that are new, novel, and helpful to them. People will only begin to notice who you are and what you can do when you prioritize who they are and what they need first. There's a reason copywriters are some of the highest paid content producers online. It's because when you understand that your words have the power to influence people, anything becomes possible. Let me end with one of the most interesting quotes from Neville's book. Copy is like a woman's skirt. It should be long enough to cover the essentials, but short enough to keep it interesting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I make new book summary videos like this every week. Thank you for watching. My name is David, and I will see you next time, my friend.